Hello guys, welcome to my video. Welcome to my video guys, and we're playing natural natural survivor disaster. I don't remember, but I have my sister on here. Say hello, Gigi, to the viewers. And my sister will play some natural disaster surviving. Quack quack. I don't like prison. I don't need prison. And Gigi, wag mo i-touch yung please. Wag mo i-touch yung nasa taas. Deadly yan, di ba? Second. Yan. Sandstorm! Sandstorm ba yan? Sandstorm to? Is this sandstorm? Yeah, it is. Sandstorm is this. Sandstorm! I love sandstorm! Bro, you cannot love sandstorm. Bro, this screen. Sandstorm. Oh, we're cooked. Absolutely cooked. Yep, lalabas ako. Yung problema. I don't care. I will be okay with this. Lagi, nakaka-survive kami dito sa, sa Bulgogi. I don't know what his name, but... Huwag ka tumalon, Gigi. Huwag ka tumalon. Hindi mo makita, no? Ayun, no? Ayun yung door. Ayun yung door. Ito mo? The door is there. Huwag ka dyan! Wag! Ay, hindi. Nakasagay ka. Pasok dun sa... Saan kami nakapasok eh? Ayun kami. Bro, my sister, how did you survive? Oh, as a single one piece of heart. You can be there right now. Okay, surviving! We're surviving. Yeah. And I have one. We can speak English or Philippines or Philippines or English. I'm not gonna define. Minsan lang din ako minsan na lang din ako mag-Philippines. Hello. Immortal. Bacon. Sabi ko, ayun yung lalaki, oh. Sino yung nagkikreate ng holes? Nakakuha ng items. Sige, reset! Why? Para may hack ka nung gusto mo. Buting nag-reset ako. Na-send back ako sa original world.
I would be safe.
No, you're not. You're gonna be dying soon.
Pinatay ako.
An apple a day saves the day. Red apples last forever. Click now. Nom. No, I'm not. What should?
Hi, Kuya. What you doing? What's up?
I want it. Let's go. I'm gonna get the blue hammer. Yeah, got the blue hammer. Bro, just watch the video and you get it.
What's the video?
I got the blue hammer. guys, we got the blue hammer.
Okay, that's so easy.
I'm a visible guys if you hit the like and subscribe. If we hit the 20 subscribers or 30 subscribers, just 20.
You're
So I
welcome.
will face revealing guys. And if this hits 30 subscribers, I will face reveal with my sister. No, 20 subscribers is my sister first, then 30 subscriber is me. So,
I do record.
no, but I'm gonna push this guy. Push, push. When you back up, go back, go back. No, Gigi, he's bald. Oh no, he's bald, like you. Bro, bro, I gotta push him. Bro, what the?
I just like me.
No, it's hey, cool. Hide, hide. Bro, what did I do? Hi, bro.
Oh, I was just gonna hit you back. I was just
Oh, oh, the ball
restroom.
game here. Wow, thank you. What the hell is that? Now, tumaling ang galing. Yeah, yeah. Shiny, shimmering, golden.
Yeah. Why again? Hey! Why are you doing this? Oh, this is okay, so right. Hey, what are you doing? Nothing to see. Please take to see. Now, I will be playing.
So, I wish is hard because it will be captured. Oh my god, I'm dead serious, I'm dead serious. Wow, I think I'm not going to subscribe this, I like this because I just said subscribe. If I'm a YouTuber, please, if you want to, please and my sister should buy too. How annoying, wow, wow, wow.
Hi, I was just
No, you're not annoying.
what?
Unit to
Hey,
my sister. Hello to my sister.
class off.
Glass office, Gigi. Ay, may hacker dito. Wow.
Yes. I was just
Galing, may hacker.
sure. What is that?
Bro, what is happening?
Why is
Bro, I'm low. I'm literally low. Bro, I don't slide. Yippee! Oh, what the? Bro, what the? What the? Oh,
Oh
Didi.
no, there's a broken.
Oh, no, no, no.
Let it go. Let it fly.
Dito ako sa pinamababa. Take away. Bruh, how do I get hit? Oops, my friend died. You're all... What the? Oh. Oh, I just used the one... Bro, how did that... Bro, I'm surviving here. Bro, Gigi, I'm surviving. I'm surviving. Come here, guys. Bro, there's a magma in Porto. And there's a black fish. Pretty much. So I'm safe, guys. You see? So I'm standing up in the tower. Wait. Let's go. Wait, one more thing.
Why do I
Yo, this is great. And I have my hammer. Wait. 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 Ano ba?
What's wrong? I will hide behind of this.
What did I have? What did I just
Rainbow? Look at that crystal! No, scary. Hey, what's up? Wow! I wanna get out! Where's my helmet? I gotta get it. Hi, bye. How will just get me? How will just get this? Huh? I'm purple. No! Hey! Tornado!
Bro, what the freak is
I
this
am
outfit?
Oh no, no.
Oh, the eyes are following. Bro, the eyes are following me. Bro,
I'm dead.
there's a person.
I'm dead. Oh, it's two times dead. I dead all so much. I hate my life. My life is the worst. No, why you still following me? I will go right here. Here.
Wow, I see.
I'm sad.
Knockout.
I'm sad. I'm sad, really sad. Create your 3D figure. Okay. Oh no, I'm back. I'm here.
Here.
I'm here.
I'm here.
What you doing?
What do you need, bro? Bro, what the freak is this outfit? Bro, bro has shirtless.
Girl, come with me. Girl. Come here. I can't do it.
I hate it. What the freak? Hey, what the heck on your face?
I don't know what I said. Ah!
Nakita ko na. Nakita ko na. Tingnan mo pag nagtuto. Nasabi yung baka.
Oh, I wanna go.
Di? Na-play ako ng ano.
Like a liar.
And di sabi sa akin ng ano, sabi ng mukha sa akin. We're on the still video, guys, and I got fling absolutely, and this is what this is this
Hey!
experience.
Hey! Hey, get out of my bed!
Look, shaky, and I'm gonna get sacrificed on here, guys. Help!
Hey, mommy. I'm dead.
Tsunami yan, di mo alam.
I didn't know what this is. I never see that.
Bro! Nakasurvive ako!
How did you survive?
Nakasurvive ako dahil na-fling ako ng hacker. How did I survive? And this is the last video, so guys,
Why you still following
see you
me?
in another video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my sister, to Bear.
I don't